What do you do in this career field?
I manage doing construction jobs. I am involved in constructing parking lots, buildings, underground utilities, paving, earthwork, and what have you. As a project manager or engineer, the tasks involved are the following. We plan the work, we do estimates, we manage the project, we take care of all the crew, we schedule everything, the pieces of equipment, the manpower, and most important is to make sure that the clients are satisfied with the quality of the work that we put in. You know, the effort that we put in this project, where we have to work late nights at some times or some days when we really have to.
Why did you select this job to focus on?
I selected this job because I wanted to be a civil engineer. I wanted to be involved in constructing um, infrastructure that would benefit not only the community but the public.
What does someone need to know in order to get a job in this field?
In order to get to this field, one needs to be educated in construction management or civil engineering. And one has to have the experience to partake in the construction industry.
What skills are required for this career?
The following are the skills that you need in this career. One is you have to be good in math. Number two, you have to have a good communication skills. Number three, you have to be patient because you'll be dealing with different kinds of people. Number four, you have to have the guts to say yes or to say no to different kinds of people, because you'll be dealing with all sorts of people in the business. And lastly, you have to have the initiative to focus on how to make your job safe and I would say satisfying.
What knowledge is needed?
Okay, what knowledge is needed? Well, first of all, you have to know the contract, you have to know the scope of the work, and you have to know your limitations. And also, you have to know what pieces of equipment to use, how many people to put in, because all that will sum up to be an effective way of doing your project or doing your job.
What education is needed?
The education that is needed is you have to have that depends. If you're going to a civil engineering company, you have to have a civil engineer's degree. If you're going to design, then you have to have a professional engineer's license to be able to practice your profession. But more often than not, you can also have a management, a construction management degree in order to be able to land a job in construction.
What is the average annual salary for this job?
The average salary for this job, and that is being involved in the construction industry, is between the range of 50,000 a year to 120,000 a year, depending on the experience and your position. If you're an entry-level engineer, then you have at least 50,000 or 70,000 a year.
How is math used in this job?
Math is used on the job a lot of times. First, when you do your estimates, you use math. When you're in the field, when you do your calculation or estimation, you use math. And especially when you're designing a building or a particular structure, you use math.
I'm in my room. Yeah, bloopers. Party.
Ready? Go. What do you do in this career field?
I
No! Stop! Pause it!
the skills that are needed in this career are the following. You have to be good in
Animal.
You stay with